Wanton babes, muscle cars, and hot rods coming up. Mouth-watering babe here and a 1924 Dodge Roadster street rod. Here's an irresistible gal, a 1934 Ford 3-window coupe hot rod. Wowzer, here's a well-endowed lady on a 1954 Chevrolet 210 is why painted flames could still be cool. As a disabled senior citizen and a U.S. veteran, I've been producing videos for several years now for free. YouTube continues to refuse to pay me for my work. If you like my videos and want me to continue creating them, please donate $1 cash or more and send it to the address listed. Please no checks. Thank you for your support. Audacious gal here in a 1964 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. Here's a seductive babe and a 2014 F12 Ferrari supercar. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe. That's the end of the show. I hope you liked it. Have a good day.